Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming game version and character level. This matters because the Night Hunter booster appears only after certain progression. Begin the quest chain at the Quarantine Zone vendor and accept the mission immediately. Collect blue DNA from rooftop drops and loot infected camps. Prioritize stealth to avoid big fights. Once done, craft the syringe components at any bench and stash Night Hunter parts in your inventory so you don't lose them during later steps. Now you focus on the complex acquisition loop. Farm DNA and parts efficiently by mixing bounties, rooftop runs, and the arena challenge. Use the grappling hook to reach DNA spawn points faster. This reduces time between runs. Make sure to check vendor stock after each run. Some vendors sell one half of the Night Hunter kit. If you have excess resources, convert them into parts or trade to fill missing components before heading to the crafting bench. Finish by assembling the Night Hunter booster at any workbench. Combine the 3 parts, blue DNA, and the syringe component. Equip the booster in a quick slot and approach a safe extraction zone to activate it. Timing matters to avoid wasting consumables. If the booster does not apply or you glitch, immediately reload the last checkpoint and verify inventory counts. Then repeat the craft sequence. This usually resolves lost item or failed craft bugs without cost.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.